platzieren. Sonst könnte man geradeaus über die Curbs fahren. Also wurde klipp und klar vorher in der Fahrerbesprechung ausgemacht, wer diesen Reifenstapel zu heftig berührt, Führung übernehmen. Aber fährt dann wieder, aus Gründen auch immer, viel zu schnell in die Kehre, kann das Auto nicht mehr kontrollieren und fährt geradeaus in die Mauer rein, in den Reifenstapel eigentlich, hat Glück, dass er sich dabei nicht...
I think that was just, I don't know what to think. You know, you look at that and you could easily make.
This came right out from underneath of him, didn't he, Kev?
And we saw the same thing out of Christopher Bell's car. And you know, when we heard the drivers and you see Bell go by right there, heard the drivers talking about what they felt, and they're just talking about the cars being light on their feet.
Racing looks spectacular until it goes wrong. Driver tagged the wall hard in the dark, went airborne, throwing sparks everywhere. Luckily, there wasn't any fire to add to that light show.
Go wide.
Pretty clean, pretty clean. Let's go, boys.
Here we go. So Pirelli, problems further back. Where's that 22 going to come back out? Oh dear,
Fabrizio.
right. Yeah. So that was such a shame. It's Fabrizio Amata who tangles up with 4 other cars, which is
leaving the pit wall, and the windmill, and D, and it's contact, and into the pit wall goes the 888 windmill car. Him and D were trying to get past a pair of back markers with a little bit impatiently, I would suggest.
Supra was sliding round after contact from the Mustang. Oh, and Mason Harvey goes round the outside and across into the tyres at high speed. Massive accident.
With Scotty Mack, we ride on boards with McLaughlin warming his tyres. Oh no. Oh no. Warming his tyres, swerving just to put some temperature into the rubber and just loses it.
The track is cold, the tires are cold. These cars are set up to turn left. They don't do straight very well, Townsend, and when you light up the rear tires to try to get a bit of heat.
Oh, trouble, another crash, Takuma Sato.
A much bigger hit.
Wow, look at the damage to that car.
And that was a fast race car as well. That's a tough break. It's tough to have a race car crash at the speedway at any time.
Yes, Lace gets the early jump. Oh, we have contact. Herta spins. And he collects his teammate Ryan Norman.
Oh, Colton Herta just up on the high side entering turn 2, then turned down. And unfortunately, it was a car on the inside there, and that clipped him and spun him right around. We already see.
Schmickler nach wie vor auf Platz 2, hart bedrängt von Horst Farnbacher. Fast etwas unfair drängt Horst Farnbacher. Und hier sieht man, Frank Schmickler hat sich hinterher nicht zu Unrecht beschwert bei Farnbacher. Er sagt, das wäre nicht nötig gewesen, das war ein bisschen unfair. Ich habe die Nase vorn gehabt. Ja, dieser Unfall wird sicher heute Abend...
Grassi's very close now to Antonio Felix da Costa, close enough for a move. Da Costa covers the inside line. Oh, he's going for it around the outside. That's never going to work. And they're both in the wall. Da Costa off, De Grassi off, and that is a disaster for the championship contender.
Yeah, he's going the long way around, which is always going to be a tough call. Then he's going into a right-hander. He's actually made the move, but at the same time,
he hasn't quite given up the fact that Da Costa was going to get away with it.
Against Butch Leal, Glidden's parachute caught a powerful gust of wind, sending his car into Leal's lane, where it hit the barrier and flipped down the track, rolling 6 times before finally stopping on its side. The accident was terrifying, but Glidden walked away unharmed, thanks in part to the reinforced roll cage in his Thunderbird.
Oh, Glidden is upside down. Glidden in big trouble. Oh, this is a bad one, Brock.
It is indeed. Got into that fence. The car continues to flop and roll. It looks as if the roll cage stayed together. There's sheet metal and fire.
This happened. We're going to see Jose Moranito enter shot sideways. Suddenly going to hit the wall very hard indeed. Oh! Big impact. And he actually went airborne, goodness me. That is a nasty hit for Jose Moranito. Not entirely sure whether he had help or whether that was...
Aí tocados.
Não conseguimos identificar. E aqui...
Já vinha virado ao contrário ali o Daniel Demadio. E olha o tanto de capote do Fugante.
E fez aquele movimento que a gente fala que calçou lateralmente e catapultou o carro do Juca, né? Então...
Looks to be all on his own here.
What happened?
Oh,
no, the right front
suspension
went.
failure. Oh!
Oh, no.
What an uncharacteristic sort of situation there. So bizarre. The 45, that right front just collapsed.
I haven't seen a right front suspension failure, James, since it happened to you at the Speedway.
Oh. That is an immense hit. Into the back.
It is very difficult.
Here's our look at Scotto trying to get a run. Murray was drafting Aaron, and quite odd.
Oh, he actually went upside down. That's a huge crash. Oh, man, you hate to see it. You love to see how quickly AMR safety team was there. Both drivers obviously out the car and seem okay. Obviously, they're going...
Accident. Let's take a replay. Puncture rear right, and oh, that's a huge impact with the barriers. Let's take another look at this from Tassi. Front puncture possible. Yes, definitely, there's rubber coming out. I thought it was a rear puncture, but no, indeed. Front puncture, unable to steer.
Jede Lücke, irgendwo seine Position zu verbessern. So auch hier. Allerdings ging diese Aktion ein bisschen daneben. Arndt Meyer bei einer Aktion gegen Tom Coronel aus Holland, dem Teamkollegen von Ralf Schumacher in den 14 Tagen. Mit den Rennen 3 und 4 noch ein Dreher von Oliver Tichy, harmlos in der Sachskurve. Und dann noch einmal das Resultat, die Grafik.
And remember, the only thing you've done is 1 lap in qualifying or 2. If you
Patrick Starpoli into the wall. Lap 1, early caution at Talladega.
Lock it down. Lock it down. Looks like only 2 cars involved. Patrick looks like he'll be done. That was heavy contact to the outside wall.
Qualified 14th, and unfortunate for him because he's coming off a top 15 finish, and his best
that Force was part of, this is the last one that he participated in. During the first round of funny car eliminations, he crossed the line at a staggering 302 miles per hour and saw the engine of his car explode. The car struck both walls as a result of the lost control, and Force was then airlifted to a nearby hospital.
Oh, Cup bluey. John Force just blew the thing up and slammed into the wall at the top end of the race.
This is it. Watch the car in first. Nelson Piquet Jr. You can see the cars are avoiding him. You will see Diego Santini. In the background was another car. Oh, Bruno Massa. Oh, that was really, really nasty. Big crash, and then we had to stand. Could not avoid him. Then Adrian Chiriano had another crash.
Up for the safety car that's also deployed coming out of pit lane at a similar time. That's a monstrous accident.
Has Enzo slowed anticipating this?
Ready for this weekend, so let's have a look here. Oh, he's already turned around going into turn.
Oh, it's gone over. It's gone over down at turn number 1.
My goodness. That is quite remarkable. Over the inside curb, the car